I thought that investing needs a lot of capital to begin with. My name is Yan Feng. I'm actually a student.
My name is Rachel. I just graduated from A-levels. My main motivation is to earn a second form of income and hopefully be able to have additional income to support my family.
I would take investing as just like a side hustle. Ultimately, I still want to pursue my career in the future.
My favorite part would definitely be the games, like the trade show games, the stock market games, because it helps us to kind of apply what we learn in class, like the VIA funnel and CFOS, and also how to read the financial statements. And we also get to work together with other people and research on different companies.
I think the most helpful thing is definitely the CFOS. That's not something I learned. I didn't know about selling options. I thought investing is more about trading, is buying stocks like crypto, Bitcoin. So CFOS give me like a different meaning to investing, and I think now I know what selling options are all about.
I would definitely recommend VIP program to my friends. I think it's a great foundation to know about investing, about the proper ways of investing. Cayden is a very great trainer. He has many years of experience teaching value investing. He will teach you the foundations. You will be in good hands.